Hi guys! So you already know, for those who follow me faithfully, that I am obsessed with Korean skincare products and Korean skincare. So I'm so excited because I got my advent calendar from Stylevana. So hi, I'm Trish. I'm a 52-year-old Filipina-American living in the Algarve, Portugal, and here's a glimpse into my life. I got my advent calendar from Stylevana. So I'm gonna go and show you guys what it's like, and I'll unpack it for you. Okay, so here's the box. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy and so big. Wow. Oh my god. Stylevana. Anyway, this is my advent calendar, and I cannot wait to unbox it and show you guys what it is, but okay. Let me, okay, I had to take the bubble wrap off. But now I'm going to take this cover off. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so heavy. Oh. And here's the box. Oh my gosh, you guys. Here it is. Oh, Stylevana. Oh my gosh. Here it is. Stylevana, find your beautiful self. Your one-stop kbeauty and j-beauty skincare and makeup shop, which is true. I order a ton of stuff from them. But look, I can't wait for December 1 to open this. Should I take a sneak peek? Oh my gosh, guys. I can't wait. So anyway, so exciting. I wanted to show you guys. So exciting. Can't wait to share with you. I'll share with you when I open these. Okay. Have a great day, guys.